Good day. My name is Elvin Green. It's a pleasure to be a part of this class and moving forward in the MSW program at Widener. Um, I am currently a course case manager in the field. I've been working for this particular organization for about 6 years now. I've been in the social service field for, I would say, over 14 years. So there's a lot of experience that I have firsthand. Um, I initially did not go to school as it relates to undergraduate for social work. It's funny how I got into this field. My BA is in political science, and I actually just transitioned into this field by mistake and fell in love with the work, fell in love with the interaction, fell in love with the um, assistance with individuals who desired to get better, fell in love with the challenges of the work, the risks, the rewards, everything that came along with being a social worker and providing intensive case management to adults, dual diagnostic individuals and children. I was a behavioral therapist initially for about 8 years, working with children from 3 to 13 at the program called Stepping Stones, which is connected with the Philadelphia School District. So you have children who are removed from the Philadelphia School District that came to the program to get psychotherapy, behavioral therapy, in the midst of still getting grade level education. So they had the opportunity to either advance while at Stepping Stone before entering back into the Philadelphia School District once they completed the program. Eventually, I went back into the field of working with adults, and presently I'm working with families who have open DHS cases, and the job is to assist the family to keep families together, to reunify families, or to ensure that children's needs are met and they are safe in whatever environment that they are in. Um, I look forward to all the information in the class to just enhance the particular theories that I utilize in the field prior to becoming, or actually prior to joining the Widener program. Um, I was actually already performing some of the theories. And the beautiful thing about the MSW program, I was able to put a name to a particular theory. So theories that I found myself working with and became pretty good at is motivational interviewing, or in other words, building a rapport with individuals, CBT or cognitive behavioral therapy, and also strength-based therapy. Those were the three main ones. And at times, as it relates to social learning theory, the social learning theory when I worked with teens who were a part of the youth emergency shelter program. So I have a pretty large background. I'm looking forward to opportunities to learn more to enhance my skills that are already within me. And as it relates to any challenges, I don't like to say that I don't like to use the word challenge or problem. I look at those two terms as opportunities to solve a situation. So that's my overall spiel as it relates to myself, my experience, and what I look forward to in the class, and as it relates to opportunities and enhancing my knowledge in the field as it relates to being a clinical social worker. Thank you for your time, and look forward to further working with my peers and the teacher. Thank you.